It's been a long time since you've seen this face. Yes, I know, y'all. I am back with a hair video. Like, I can't even fit my whole fro into the frame. But today's video, I'm just gonna get back into the groove and just give you a hair update. I've been natural now for like maybe 10 months. It's going on like 9 or 10 months. And I just want to give you my things that I've been loving and I've been using on this journey. Now, I didn't do a big chop. I just grew my hair out and I did like a mini big chop. I cut off a lot of my hair, and I'll link that video up here so you guys can see the process and like kind of before what I started out with. I started out with like a little bitty baby, or like maybe a mini fro. Some of the stuff I've been loving is I really like to keep my scalp hydrated, because like I need oils and moisture on my scalp. So I've really been loving the shea butter oil, olive oil, and coconut oil. So I just go through whichever one I grab after I take a shower, wash my hair. I go through and just oil my scalp. I have really dry scalp, and I think I like have like borderline psoriasis. My scalp gets so dry, like my scalp gets so much dandruff. It's like, it's unbelievable how dry and flaky my scalp gets. But using between the shea butter and the coconut oil, and you get these for like $1, $1.50 at your beauty supply store. I found these at Family Dollar, Dollar General. It's just oil to put on your hair, and I love it. So next, of course, washing your hair, but I like to switch. I like to switch between what I'm using when I condition my hair. So 1 week I wash my hair every week, and 1 week I'll use a leave-in conditioner, and this is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Leave-In Conditioner by Shea Moisture. And then when I want to get like a really deep, good moisture conditioning, I use the African Black Soap Purification Mask. And this is for balancing dry scalp. So this product is made for me. So I really love using this using this black African soap mask. You can leave this on your hair for 5 minutes or use it as like a really deep conditioner for like 30 minutes. And it just gives my hair lots of moisture, and it just really just brings my hair back to life if I haven't been, you know, washing it or doing anything, you know, great to it. I do not use heat on my hair. I haven't used like a flat iron or any kind of heat for like months. I don't even know how long it's been now, but I do not use any heat, and I'm always doing like flat twist, or I just learned how to do flat twist. But I really just been wearing like a lot of wigs, and just, you know, putting it in wigs and then washing it, conditioning it, moisturizing my scalp, and putting on another wig or another protective style. That's really what I've been doing for the past like 7 or 8 months. I've just now started wearing my hair like this. So in the next video or next videos, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my flat twist. But I just wanted to give you guys like a mini update and tell you that I'm still here. It's just been a lot. I've moved, I had family issues, and my family members got sick, but I'm finally getting back into the groove of things. So if you like this mini hair update, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.